Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Sony is once again making waves in the filmmaking and photography industry, with growing speculation surrounding the potential release of the Sony FX3 II. This anticipated cinema camera has been the subject of intense discussion, particularly among content creators, videographers, and filmmakers who are eager to see how Sony plans to evolve its FX lineup. Reports suggest that the FX3 II could make its grand debut alongside the Sony A7V at the highly anticipated CP Plus 2025 event in Japan. If this turns out to be true, it would mark a significant move by Sony, further solidifying its place in the industry. Let's dive deep into the latest rumors, expected features, and Sony's potential strategy for this new release. Sony FX3 II, the next evolution in cinema cameras? The original FX3 gained a solid reputation as a compact, high-performance hybrid camera, offering a mix of cinema-quality video capabilities and a lightweight, user-friendly design. Its ability to deliver exceptional video quality in a small form factor made it a favorite among independent filmmakers, YouTubers, and professional cinematographers alike. Now, the buzz around the FX3 II suggests that Sony may take things up a notch. Interestingly, there are rumors that the FX3 II could replace the Sony A7S IV, rather than being a separate model in the lineup. If true, this would indicate a shift in Sony's strategy, where the FX series and A7S series may merge into a single line of high-performance video cameras. This potential consolidation could be a game-changer, especially for those who rely on Sony's mirrorless cameras for both video and photography. Expected features and upgrades. Global shutter, a game-changer for filmmakers? One of the most exciting rumors suggests that the Sony FX3 II could feature a 12-megapixel global shutter sensor. If true, this would be a massive leap forward for Sony, as global shutter technology eliminates rolling shutter artifacts, ensuring flawless motion capture with zero distortion. While global shutters offer a major advantage for fast-action filmmaking and sports cinematography, there's some skepticism about whether Sony would implement this feature at a competitive price point. Historically, global shutter sensors have faced challenges related to dynamic range and low-light performance, so it remains to be seen how Sony would balance these trade-offs. Partially stacked sensor for faster readout speeds. Another possibility is that the FX3 II could incorporate a partially stacked sensor, similar to what we've seen in the Nikon Z6 III. A stacked sensor would improve readout speeds, reduce rolling shutter effects, and enhance overall dynamic range, making it a highly desirable upgrade for filmmakers who need fast and accurate image capture. Built-in ND filters for ultimate convenience. One of the most requested features from the filmmaking community is internal ND filters, which allow creators to control exposure without needing bulky external filters. If Sony integrates this into the FX3 II, it would make the camera even more attractive for run-and-gun shooting, outdoor videography, and live event coverage. 4K 60p and 12 to 14-bit internal RAW recording. Filmmakers are hoping that the FX3 II will support 4K recording at 60 frames per second with 12-bit or even 14-bit color depth. This would give creators greater flexibility in post-production, allowing for high dynamic range workflows and enhanced color grading. Some reports even suggest that Sony might push higher bitrates in the XAVC codec, further improving image quality. Advanced stabilization for smooth handheld footage. Another major area of improvement could be Sony's active stabilization algorithms. With AI-powered enhancements, we might see smoother handheld shots with minimal crop, making the FX3 II ideal for creators who shoot without gimbals. Better connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and remote monitoring. Filmmakers today demand seamless connectivity, so Sony could introduce improved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities. This would allow for instant file transfers, wireless microphone integration, and remote monitoring via mobile apps, making workflow efficiency a top priority. Audio upgrades, professional-grade preamps. Better preamps and improved audio input shielding are high on the wish list. Cleaner audio capture with minimal interference would be a huge win for videographers who rely on external microphones for interviews, vlogging, and documentary filmmaking. Hybrid functionality, improved stills performance. Although the FX3 series is primarily video-focused, Many creators use it for hybrid shooting. A 20-megapixel sensor could strike the perfect balance between video and photography, making it versatile enough for professionals who need both capabilities. How the FX3 II could reshape Sony's camera strategy. If Sony truly intends for the FX3 II to replace the A7S IV, this shift could indicate a broader strategy of streamlining its product lines. The A7S series has traditionally been known for exceptional low-light performance, and merging it with the FX series could create an all-in-one solution for video professionals. However, some users may feel that a global shutter isn't necessary and would rather see features like higher bit depth recording, internal NDs, and improved ergonomics prioritized instead. CP Plus 2025, the perfect stage for Sony's big reveal. The CP Plus 2025 event, scheduled for February in Yokohama, Japan, is one of the biggest camera and imaging shows in the world. If Sony is indeed planning to launch the FX3 II alongside the A7V, it would set the stage for a massive year in the camera industry. The A7V, expected to be a powerhouse for hybrid creators, will likely offer advanced photography and video features at a competitive price. Final thoughts. Will the Sony FX3 II live up to the hype? As rumors continue to swirl, one thing is certain. The FX3 II has the potential to redefine hybrid filmmaking. Whether it features a global shutter, stacked sensor technology, or other high-end upgrades, Sony seems poised to push the boundaries of what's possible in a compact cinema camera. What do you think about these rumored features? Will Sony merge the A7S series with the FX lineup, or will they keep them separate? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Techno Trend Zone.